My name is Jamal, and I'm a retail solutions engineer here at Shopify. The purpose of this video is to show you how to print barcode labels for your products after receiving them on a purchase order. Before I hop into this though, you're gonna have to make sure that all of your products already have barcodes inside of the products on Shopify. There's a couple of different ways to do that. You can do it through a CSV upload, or you can use an application like Retail Barcode Labels to create barcodes for your products. This will not work unless your products already have barcodes. Otherwise, you'll have printer tickets with no barcode on them. So make sure that you have your barcodes already created in Shopify before doing this. One other thing we'll hop into before showing you how to print the barcodes is just setting up the preferences so you can actually map the data inside of your Dymo software to make sure that things print properly. So the first thing you're going to want to do is click into your preferences and then scroll down and click into Dymo right here. Within your Dymo, what you'll be able to do is change the settings for your printer and change the actual printer itself, and then change the settings for the printer down below. So you can print different labels based on what you need down here. For this one, we'd only want to print one label for each item received, just so we don't overprint or underprint any labels. So we'll leave that as default. Down below, what you'll see here is a couple of things here. The first two important ones, or the most important ones, are the merge fields right here, which we'll show you in a second. And then the other one is uploading a new label file. So the way to get this label file is by using your Dymo software. So I'm going to quickly open my Dymo software right here, and you'll see a label that I've already got created. So this label is going to call some information inside of it. So the first thing that you're going to want to do is make sure that these labels are the right size for your printer. You can buy different label types for your printer. I'm using the square one specifically for this example. So make sure that you're selecting the correct label for your printer. As you can see on the right-hand side here within Stocky, there's something that are called merge fields. These merge fields hold product information. So you can see product title, variant title, the SKU, the barcode, etc., and a couple of different ones here. And if you look at my product over here, or the product tag, what you can see is a price tag and a barcode tag. So what I've actually done is created this and mapped these fields into this product tag. I'll show you exactly how to do that. So now when I click into this specific product tag, I can click into this field I've created. On the right-hand side here, there's a label called properties. When I click into properties, I can click into advanced right here. And right now I can set the reference name for this tag to pull in the correct information from Stocky. So as you can see here, I've set a reference tag of price and also set it as a variable object. So it'll change as the price changes for the products that I'm printing. So what you'll want to do is if you wanted to add price to your label template profile, what you'll want to do is copy this specifically right into your template right here. The second one I've done to show you again is the barcode. So what I've done is created a barcode field and then hit properties. Inside of here, you can change the symbology for the barcode and the data in here as function as a variable object. So that's a great way to create some standardization for your barcodes. And then finally, when I want to write this information over into this label, what I want to do is head over into my advanced settings and then take this barcode section and then put the reference name as that barcode section. Make sure it's the exact same so it pulls in the correct information. So now that you're happy with this barcode label, you can add as many fields as you want to, given the real estate that you've got and your tag. I can't really add too much more information, but if I wanted to add a title tag, if this was a bigger tag, you could create a text field and then add product title potentially as a tag. And what you do is click on it, click properties, put product title as the advanced setting right here. So now that you've got your label ready, what you can do is save that label file and keep it for safekeeping on your computer. You can create as many label files as you'd want to, but just bear in mind that you can only have one label file within Stocky at a time. So now that I've created my label file, I can simply go in here and select upload new label file. I've already currently got one inside of here. I can click view current label, and what it will do is actually download that label for me so I can upload it here. So once you've uploaded it, make sure that all your merge fields are correct. Now you're ready to use your Dymo printer to print your purchase order barcodes. So what I'm going to first want to do is click into the purchase order of which barcodes I want to create. So I can go back to my all purchase orders. And then I can go and click into a purchase order like this one that I've received and haven't printed any barcodes yet for. So clicking into this purchase order, I can see all the quantity of items that are ready to be printed. I can also see this one is on back order, and you'll see exactly how that works once I get into the settings. But now that I'm ready to actually print these barcodes, I can click the drop-down menu right here. Then I can click Print Dymo Labels. And it will find my printer that I want to print for. I can select to print received items only. I want to turn that on as yes. I can skip items that are marked as already printed. You can turn that on if you wanted to. And then you've got your current label file, which I've got downloaded here, right here. So what you'll want to do is hit a print test. What this will do is print one tag just to confirm that the products work, and you'd be good to go from there. If the test looks good, you can print now, and it will print all the tags for the items on your purchase order. You can also use the Dymo label software to import CSVs of products as well. So what you can do is go back into your purchase order, and when you click into your purchase order and click download, there's an option for CSV for Dymo. And what this will do is create a CSV specifically for Dymo that you can use to import directly into your Dymo software and print the barcodes directly from the software. The cool thing about this is that if you are using another printer that is not Dymo, you can take advantage of the CSV template to upload that CSV into your printer software and have it print there. What you'll have to do though is map the headings within that CSV for Dymo or CSV that you're using within your Stocky account, and you'll want to map those headers so that they're correct, most likely using a very similar style of merging fields between your CSV and your printer software, and you can print from another printer. Stocky only works specifically with Dymo that's integrated within Stocky. But if you wanted to use something else, it is possible. You just will have to do some manual work of merging the fields correctly in that software. So that's how you print barcodes for your products using Stocky and a Dymo printer or an external printer. And hopefully that answers all your questions when it comes to printing barcodes.